good look at all the wiring and make sure it's good. So really it's kind of be a little bit of a tear down just to do that. You gotta check our, you know, everything up in here. So this is you know, like it's got, these are the stator wires, and then I believe underneath there is a point. So I'm gonna have to look this up, but I think that we got a points under here. So this is a really pretty old engine. I think we checked the compression. This because this has been a while, but I think we checked that compression and it was really good. So it's just a matter of, you know, anyway. So that's kind of what I got going on. Just kind of looking at everything, sussing it out. Yeah, I don't know. Guess I could take this front plate off. So I could have left that screw, that bolt on there. But you put those back on. So the trigger in front removes the throttle. I'm just gonna, anyway, but you get the idea. I'm just gonna, yeah, kind of got to dismantle it in order to really get in here and see, like, you know, like obviously it looks like the choke wire is bad, and there is a manual choke and that is missing. Yeah, what I'm talking about is it's a manual choke. I can obviously down in there, like, that's missing. Actually, some of these was turning the fuel off and on, or it was a choke. I can't remember. This one comes off. Now, alright, that gets our front plate off. Now we can really see. Now I can really see what, you know, obviously that carb is really bad. Like, kind of loosens up this. You can take the back plate off and it'd really loosen up, but you know, this is going to need to be obviously taken off and cleaned. Let's see if the throttle arm even moves. No, it's pretty well. Let's see if it even moves. Yeah, it moves a little bit, but really tight. So all that, I'm just going to get some WD-40 and I'm going to hose it down. But it's got all kinds of stuff. It really just needs to be probably pressure washed. Well, not really pressure washed, but all this stuff is in here. It's pretty bad. So let me kind of hose her down. You know, like obviously all your plastic pieces like this, be real careful because they will break. It's a 50-year-old motor. I mean, it's gonna break if you get too manly with it. Test the solenoid, see if it works. This bracket here is all kind of wonky and wrong. I'm not sure why they did it that way, but You know, this is moving, but barely. So this car will have to come off. I'll have to clean it up real good. You know, I could do something like put my spark tester on there and just turn this and see. You know, it's free. I mean, it's really pretty good shape. But I could put a spark tester on here and not even worry. You know, like I could just, I've got a drill. I could see if I get spark. But I think first I'm gonna hose it down. I'm gonna hose it down.
I